Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have some stylish stock today in the used Peugeot 208 1.5 BlueHDi Tech Edition, currently available at Oldham Volkswagen, that does incorporate a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. To get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information. Now, the video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment going through some features and functions. The 16-inch alloy wheels are the titanium matte black alloys, and they offer a really unique and sporty look to the car in my opinion. The power folding wing mirrors do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, ensuring we minimise the risk of damaging them in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where parking is a bit tight. In the back, you'll notice a well-maintained interior with the ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, making this a fantastic family car, and you do have a sustainable amount of legroom in there for rear passengers' comfort. The alloys truly do complement that very vibrant finish, and as we access the boot directly, you'll see you gain access to a fairly spacious boot size for this car's size. You can fit a weekly shop inside there with ease, and you do have additional storage space and height underneath there as well for storing additional things. Now, the car has had two previous owners, but you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. As we access the front of the car directly, we have the multifunctioning steering wheel that enables you to access a wide range of settings that we'll touch on a little bit later in that second part segment. A clean interior can be seen that will offer a head-turning look and a very eye-catching look to those around. Thanks for watching the 360 walk around of the used Peugeot 208. If you would like to stick around, we will be going inside the car, taking a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Inside the car, we have the multi-function steering wheel, which does enable access to your dashboard display, and as it is leather wrapped, it offers a comfortable grip for a comfortable driving experience. You have your automatic headlights, ensuring they're on at the correct times, and on your driver's door handle, you will see you have your wing mirror window controls as well. Turning the engine of the car roars into life as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to the dashboard display. Here we can see our key information like our driving data. There you can clearly see you have the ability to check what your current speed is, and there is just 17,872 miles on the clock there as well. You also have access to features such as your cruise control system and your speed limiter to ensure a safe and confident travelling experience, great for motorway travel. Now over to the infotainment screen, a wide range of options are hosted. And when going into navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It truly will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling as you go to new locations you wouldn't normally go to without this functionality. Into our applications, here's where we gain access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and our Mirror Link, allowing you to display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps navigation if you do prefer. It opens up a completely new perspective to the infotainment screen. As we do pop the car into reverse, you'll see you have your rear view camera there, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre. It ensures that we minimise the risk of damaging our car in any way, and it's great for places like shopping centres where parking is traditionally a little bit too tight. You do this just by popping the car into reverse. Now, as we go into telephone, you can also make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth, and this is a great addition to the car as you don't need to touch your phone whilst driving. You can get your contacts directly through the infotainment screen. Once again, thanks for watching. This has been the fantastic used Peugeot 208, currently available at Oldham Volkswagen, that does incorporate a minimum of 12 months warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. To get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.